on did that start?
I know, he just tapped the start button and it started. This thing runs like a dime, guys. Okay, now Alan's turn to go whip it. Y'all should go find yourself a dumpster jet ski and go whip it around. I'm just gonna sit down, get comfy. That thing is so much fun. Okay guys, so we've made it to the lake. There's the truck. No jet ski on the trailer. We have it out in the water. I wish I would have videoed it. But yeah, this is the start to the next video. Will the jet ski work? And so right now, Alan's out ripping it on the lake. So I guess it works. I know, you can hear it. And I just parked the truck. Going back down to the lake. He's having a blast. My goal is that hopefully, wow, they were quick, dude, to get that boat off that truck. We weren't that quick. But the goal is hopefully to see if it idles, because right now it shuts off if you let off the throttle. So yeah. But yeah, you could hear him. Dude, we found this jet ski in the dumpster, don't forget, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is awesome here. We'll get some good clips of this. Dude, I bought a battery for it and I threw some gas in it. That's all I did to it.
91, not even the right gas.
Not even the right, it's not even octane free for the 2-stroke, it's just 91. But yeah, heck. I'm not complaining.
Work, so.
I know, and we got the trailer for free too. And I just rattle bombed it and put some lights on it. And a new receiver and everything. I'm not complaining at all. But yeah, see you guys in a few. So Alan, you can assure them that it does run.
It does run.
But we popped the seat off just to do a nice little check before we were to ride it around more. And good thing we did, because I know I left that thing off, but I'm like, why is there water like spraying around in here? I forgot to put the nipple back in the exhaust thing and put the hose clamp on, so it's just shooting water out of there. And
no bueno.
No bueno. So that is no bueno, and we're gonna have to put it up for today.
It was good, great while it lasted.
It was great while it lasted. What if I could get my dad to come out here with the part? Well, it's setting anyways, and we can't be out past dark with a jet ski.
If he can. Ask him worst thing, and he says is no.
Okay, yep, sounds good. Okay guys, so that was a fail, but we're gonna call it a success for today. It went out on the lake, it ran and everything, so I'm gonna charge up the battery again, and there's Alan. We're gonna fix all the stuff we didn't fix this time, and oh, you can't see me. We'll be out tomorrow morning. So yeah, see you in the next clip tomorrow morning. Okay, so as you guys can tell, it's not the next morning, it's actually tonight, the same day. So I want to throw in these two little clips of Alan out on the lake. I didn't throw them in with the video thing because the camera like cut out and said busy, and so I only have these short snippets, so I'll throw them in right here. Okay, so as you can tell, the camera obviously cut out, but I don't know why I didn't film it. But that was just Alan riding the jet ski. Yeah, like I said though, we're going to go back on the lake tomorrow morning, and I'll see you guys there out on the lake. And we'll get some nice footage with the GoPro, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Before we head out to the lake though, we are going to hook it up to the hose and make sure it's running good and everything after swapping out those spark plugs. Make sure all our adjustments are pretty good. So the manual for the jet ski said you need to start it, and then within like 10 to 15 seconds go turn on the water, you know. And then same thing, when you go to shut it off, go shut the water off, give it a few revs to get the water out of the exhaust and just out of the jet ski, and then shut it off. Yeah, we're gonna try and get the jet ski start. Hopefully it should start right up. If it doesn't, we got a problem.
Looks like we have a problem.
Let's try choking it. A bit high right now. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. Are you zoomed in on my face?
Yeah. Justin, give us some gas. She's smoky.
Need to idle around 1700 RPMs, and right now ours is at 1500 RPMs. You want to turn it up?
Turn up what?
What?
Turn what up? The idle? She'll be fine. You want me to cut it or you want to keep going?
See, look, there's no exhaust leaking from inside of it. You know how you were worried about the exhaust inside of it? I don't see it leaking from anywhere. Spark plugs are doing good. The hose keeps it really nice and cold, the exhaust, feel it.
Oh, it does.
And our warning light isn't on at all.
Alright. You want to go to the lake now? You want to go to the lake now?
It's idling right under 1500. You think we need to turn it up when we're in the water? We'll bring tools and we'll do it in the parking lot if we need to.
Okay. Great job.
Hey. Push me off.
Just shake it. There you go. You should go now.
Push me.
Oh my God. I got the camera. There, you're going.
There we go. drop that camera in the water. So we got it running good.
He's whipping that. Should he bring it back here so I can whip it? He's having fun. Oh, he's finally coming back. Yay, it's my turn. He juked me again.
Still idle! It's still idle! Dude, this thing is so fun.
Let me whip it.
Hey, catch me. Stop it. Oh. Come here.
How did that start?
I know. He just tapped the start button and it started. This thing runs like a dime, guys. Okay, now Alan's turn to go whip it. Y'all should go find yourself a dumpster jet ski and go whip it around. I'm just gonna sit down, get comfy. That thing is so much fun. And it's a two-stroke and it runs like a champ. I did pour a little bit of two-stroke oil into the gas just in case if the oil pump didn't work. But I think it does. And that's why it ran a little bit smoky earlier today. Because a little bit rich on the oil, but look at that thing. Should I zoom in? Yeah. Look at him go. Sorry. The zoom's super slow on this. Holy cow, it's really slow. Little happy camper out there. I think the next move is to get out the GoPro. Look at him go. Oh my gosh, my man is zooming. Guys, we did it. We got it back out on the lake during summer, or before summer. Not really before summer, but heck, we got it out there. Oh shoot. I think I screwed up. Oh, here. There he is. Sorry about my camera. There we go. Oh, he's hauling. It might go like 35 or 40. Heck, that looks pretty fast actually. Oh, he's having fun. He's having fun. Oh, he's gone. Yep, he's gone. Well, here, let me actually zoom out. I have no clue what I did to this zoom thing on here, guys. Oh, here, hang tight while I try and fix this. Okay, I fixed the zoom problem. My hair is crazy. Yeah, zoom problem's fixed. Alan's nowhere to be seen. I still hear it running though, so he's not stranded. That's a good sign. Yeah, I'm super happy. Next thing is this GoPro right here. Let me show you. Well, it's not a GoPro. It's the cheap version because I can't afford the real thing, but enjoy the footage from this. So yeah. Okay. So, the clip I said I was gonna leave off on and switch to, you know, that's not happening right now because, Alan, would you care to explain what happened on your little rip session?
Well, let me get the camera straight. So, here I was ripping it, alright? And I was full throttle, you know, having a really good time because I can't swear thanks to you. But I'm full throttling it, and then it just does a loud boom, and it wouldn't go over like 2,000 RPMs, and then it just died. So here I was in the middle of a lake, can't do anything. So I was like,
at least it floats.
At least it floats. So I get out, I start swimming, I start screaming. Justin can hear me all the way back at the dock. I was probably like, I don't know, a quarter mile out.
And he has no way of communicating to me because my phone is in the jet ski with him.
Yeah.
So I'm just sitting there. I was actually just sitting on the ramp just laughing at you. Yep. I was just laughing at him. And people are there with jet skis. I meant kayaks. So I'm like, do you guys mind if I take one of your kayaks out and go get my buddy? And they're like, yeah, sure. And I'm like, you don't have to be anywhere? They're like, nope. And so went out on a kayak. And he's like, what did you think of me coming out on a kayak?
I thought you were stupid.
That's all I had.
I don't know how you plan on towing me back with a kayak.
This gentleman, did he have was it a motor on it? Or
he just had a trolling motor.
So it was like electric?
Yeah.
He just trolled you back in? Perfect. Yep. Got him back in.
I did have to swim. I did swim with it though for a little while. I swam for about like 200 yards or so, just towing the boat.
Sure, I was like, at least this. Well, the nice thing was the lake, the current was pushing him towards me. So I was like, oh, he'll get here eventually.
Yep.
He did.
So now we're going to tear it apart, just for craps and giggles.
Yeah, I guess. Worst case scenario, I think we throw a moped underneath of it. Or buy newer jet skis.
Yeah.
There's some people I want to talk to on the way home about their jet skis, so we'll see. See what I can do.
Alright. You want to call it the end of that clip?
Nah. Actually, guys, if you like this video of us taking out Odd on the lake, subscribe. Obviously, like the video like always. And, yeah. See you in the next one of what we figure out is wrong with it. Could either be the into the jet ski on water, or
let them choose what the hell we do with it.
If it's catastrophic in the next video, we'll let you decide what we do with it, which will probably only be like what, one comment.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys.